Hey, hello guys, I'm Osman and I will show you how to travel with your bike. And right now this small bag is my bicycle carrying bag, which is for my flight. And what we need to know, we need to use it first, we need a bike fork mount, like that picture, because we have to protect to our fork. And some people think how to protect this crankshaft, and then I will use my old tire to wrap it. So it sounds okay. According to my experience, that I've using this bag to carry my bike for 6 flights already. Then nothing to damage my bike, or I got a fortune. So right now I will show you how to put the bike into the bag. Simply open the bag, and what we have to do, try to figure out what things are necessary. For example, we remove this pouch and then the lithium battery item, which is the flashlight. It definitely we can put on the check bag luggage. And right now I can put my bike into the bag, as you can see that. So make sure that you have to remove the air, make it as a flat tire, and then screw it tightly, because otherwise it may lose. I tried one time, I lose my screw, because of my interior of my bike bag. It's like that. This is something to secure my bike. Hey, please leave me a comment to say how you can wrap your bike for flight. I like my bike bag to have some extra strap to make me secure my bike inside the bag, so make my bike as steady as possible during the flight. So comment as if you pack your wheel separately or same as a bag. For me, I have saved some money. That's why I have to put it in the same bag. So I'm gonna zip up my bag, and then my personal experience, I will use extra strap to wrap it, because there's no handle of my bag, and I don't want the worker they will damage my bag by just using their way to relocate my bag. So if you think about it, normal norms, and if you see something you can hold, and you will hold it, I think so. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you like and enjoy my video. Please comment, like, share my video, and I will bring this bike to Japan for Quokka again. Thanks for watching my video.
I will pack all this.
Have a good
stuff
ride and safe ride.
For that, and then you will see my bikes like that here, my sandal here, and then all the handle by my flight stack. It's all preset. So after I arrive, I just assemble my wheel and pump the air. Then that is. So it's very convenient. So that's the way I travel. And this time I will try to bring this small trolley. Yeah, it's gonna be helpful.